So hello guys, welcome. This video is a continuation of our previous video. So in this video we'll be talking about chargeable EBDs. As in our previous video we have already discussed about non-rechargeable EBDs. This video is for chargeable EBDs.
This is our rechargeable EBD which we carried on board in every cabin, because once you use this you can refill it again on board. So for the inspection of this you have to check the pressure, which you can see from here. It has to be always 200 bar, because as per the manufacturer instruction you should pressurize this bottle. As per my unit or manufacturer instruction is that if you fill it for 200 bar, it will give you a 15 minutes continuous air. Okay. So this is your face mask, which is always a gas tight. See, you can see from here. Once you use this one, the outside air will not enter this mask again. And the most important thing in EBD is that once you open the EBD, they have provided one lever here. You can see it from here. See, this is the connection, which is connected to. See, this is the connection which is connected to your EBD bottle release valve. So once you pull this one, like, your EBD is continuously running. Maybe you can hear the sound. So your EBD is already pressurized. So for this, you have removed the pin. This is the strap for you to put in your neck. This, and the second thing which you have to do is just wear the mask.
Once you release this, the air is continuous.
Air is continuously running. It will run for maximum 15 minutes as per my manufacturer. So for stopping this air, you have to remove the pin. This is a safety pin, you can say. You have to lift this cap up so that you can see. Now the clearance is increasing between the pole and the top part of this cap. Now you can put back
the clip inside
and just turn it. See, you can hear also the flow of air is stopped now. This is how it should be. So after that, put the pin back to place so that for the next, in case of emergency, it will be ready to use. So as I have said you before, this is the rechargeable EBD. They have provided a connection here. You can refill this one with using your compressor, SCBA compressor. It's same. We have to refill it at 200 bar. See, you can see the inside. One most important thing in this, which makes it difference from the SCBA bottle. One is SCBA bottle is made for 30 minutes, and this one is for 50 minutes. And this one we will use in case of emergency, just for escape purpose. And one more thing, it's very important to check that at what temperature you are filling the EBD bottles, because if you are trading in a winter season or the places where the winter season is going on, so that places, when you fill these bottles up to 200 bar and you sail out to any summer area where the temperature is high, automatically the bottle pressure will rise. As the air expands inside the bottle pressure will increase. So for that, now let's say we have filled this in a winter season, it's around 200 bar, and now we are selling to any Gulf area where the temperature is so high. So suddenly the bottle pressure will start increasing. You will not come to know also that the bottle pressure is going high and high. So the manufacturer has provided one safety relief valve for that. As you can see here, this is a safety relief valve. Once the pressure goes above 230 bar, it will relieve the air as per my manufacturing instructions. It can be different for different EBDs as per the manufacturer. For this, it's 230 bar.
One more thing, guys, just because we have said that it can be charged on board doesn't mean you can actually charge it. Your coupling, your this connection, female, as we call it, this female connection, and your SCBA connector, your BA compressor, those should match.
Filling wall.
Those filling wall hose should match. So those things you should match. If they do not match, then you can ask for an adapter to have this kind of coupling, which is female, and another male coupling. Because as we can show, there is one more bottle over here, which is also, you can see, as a similar bottle to this bottle. But in this, as you can see, we have a different connection over here. So this bottle, although you might think that it can be also charged on board, but no, it cannot be charged on board, because this has a different coupling which is not there as per our SCBA BA compressor. So our BA compressor have a different coupling. Yes, we can charge this also, but we must have another coupler or an adapter, as you can say, so that our BA compressor and this can match.
You can see a safety relief valve here also.
In this also, same thing, you can really see the safety relief valve which is over here, and it has just a minute hole.
Okay guys, today we'll see how to how to open the relief valve for our EBD. See, this is just a nut bolt type structure. We have openings here to release the air. Main thing in this is the diaphragm, which is made up of copper. You can see inside. This is the diaphragm, which is made up of the copper, and it is designed in such a way that once your pressure reach to 230 bar or more than that, it will get burst and it will release the air from this pores.
After all this time, found yourself a way out of this small town. Got a place at school you didn't hang around. Every day